Mark upon my forehead in charcoal and in gray, a reminder of the ending of the time I have to stay. I build my house on sand and stone, but nothing here is mine to own. Just a breath within the wind, waiting to begin again. For we are dust, unto dust we return, like the embers of a fire that cease to burn. But in the breaking there is grace to humble pride and seek your face. From dust to dust, until I see your light. The kingdoms rise and fall away like shadows in the night. All the glory of today won't survive the morning light. So I lay my armor down, trade the scepter for a crown, not of gold but thorns and pain, where life comes out of death again. Unto dust we return, like the embers of a fire that cease to burn. But in the breaking there is grace to humble pride and seek your face. From dust to dust, until I see your light. From the clay, you breathe the life into the grave. And though I return to the ground, in you life is still found. Like